Hey guys, Nsheppard, Willies at Akins. We've got a freshly renovated showroom full of different vehicles, some Ford Performance, some Willies, Jeep, and Ford. But today we're going to talk about our top Ford accessories for the F-150, best-selling truck in America for over 42 years now. Our most popular accessories from 2019 at Willies at Akins. Let's go. Let's get right to it. The top accessories from 2019 for the Ford F-150 right here at Willies at Akins. Things that add great value, help with the everyday enjoyment and pleasure, and just look great for your next F-150 right here at Akins. First and foremost, some type of suspension level kit or lift kit is by far a game changer, changes the overall appearance and capability of your truck. Here we have our Covert Edition with a 3.5-inch ready lift kit. And here to my left, we have our Thunder supercharged bad boy that has the Roush suspension kit that raises it 2 inches. It comes with Fox shocks and struts also. A game changer, rides very smooth. So suspension, by far, one of our top choices for modified and adding to your F-150. What goes along with that is by far our #1 add-on is wheels and tires. It's just like having a nice pair of shoes versus just a plain old pair. It's a game changer. It makes a difference. It completely changes the appearance of your custom ride right here at Akins and Willies. Wheels and tires. We've got Fuel Rebel here on a gray Thunder truck. And we've got KMC XD 844 Pikes on our Covert here to my left too. So lots of options. We can just do a tire change, keep the factory wheel, or if you want to go for the full Monty, we can do wheel and tire. But some type of suspension modification with leveling or lifting your truck, wheel and tire really is where you need to start at. Coming next, you've got bed covers, which has been a good option for us too. Come on around, Brady. Got Brady filming for me today. Appreciate that. So bed cover. Bed cover is probably #3 on our list because there's so many options now as far as actually using the truck like a truck. You don't have to have a cover on there that's cumbersome or heavy to take off. These retract now. A tri-fold also is a popular one. All the major brands, Row and Lock, Retracts, Undercover Truck Hero, we carry them all. Great value, great prices. Bed cover falls right there in that sweet spot of something that brings great value to your next truck. While we're right here, wheel well liners. Ford, add wheel well liners to your trucks from the factory. Otherwise, I'm gonna keep putting them on our trucks because it looks better. Wheel well liners fill up the rear well, especially on a lighter colored truck, a silver or white. It just looks gaudy, it looks bad. This really cleans the lines up. If you take it off road, it enables you to just wash it out easier too and get that mud out of those pesky places. Wheel well liners, look into it. All right, coming on around here, if you buy an XLT truck package, you're not gonna have the Tailgate Assist. We take the Ford part number, Tailgate Assist, it installs behind the tail light right here. What it does, it keeps the tailgate from slapping down. It comes down nice and smooth. Look at that, just money, perfecto. This truck does not have an Akins spraying liner in it, but that's our next top accessory, Akins spraying bed liner. Lifetime warranty. Along with that, Lumar window tint, lifetime warranty on that as well. So window tint, bed cover, bed liner, so some sort of suspension modification, wheel and tire. I mean, you've really hooked your truck up. My little bonus for that is going to be right here. We have illuminated light up emblems now for the front and rear. It's been very popular. Saw it at the Big Tech show and at SEMA. We've done a lot of them. But this type of thing is a game changer, as well as maybe taking an emblem and custom painting it to your liking, or just doing a totally custom emblem from aftermarket side also. So emblems is really something that adds to the overall touch, as well as the side badges. So the side badge here, we took this one out and smoked it black. It really accentuates the overall truck, because you don't want a truck that's got chrome everywhere and you roll around on black wheels. We got to match, guys. We got to figure out what's the best package for your next ride that really looks custom from front to end, top to bottom. That's what we're all about. That's what we love to do. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Hit that bell notification to stay tuned with all of our latest videos, because they're going to come at you daily now. So be ready for that. Lots of good info. Please comment on anything you like or dislike about our videos, or anything you can add to customers as far as your experience with certain options that we've talked about today too. I'm Real Deal Neil at Willies at Akins. It's been a good night. See y'all later.